Welcome to Meow Wolf Santa Fe. Hello to all our friends. Lloyd and Melinda here, coming to you live from Santa Fe, New Mexico. And we are at Meow Wolf. Not just any Meow Wolf though. This is the very first one. There's 5 other ones. There's one in Vegas, which we have already visited. There's one in Colorado. There's 2 in Texas, and there's one coming next year for Los Angeles in 2026. So this is the House of Eternal Return, and we are going to check it out right now. So let's explore, shall we? Look at the size of this thing. He wouldn't want me in his bedroom at night. Right out in front they have a huge wolf made completely out of metal. I like how them artists at Meow Wolf even paint the planters. So the interesting thing about this Meow Wolf is that it used to be a former bowling alley. That is until George R.R. Martin, the writer of the Game of Thrones series, gave a donation to a bunch of local artists, and they created this. I don't know if this robot is related to the one over at Omega Mart, but the one over there is in pretty rough shape. This robot was made by an artist named Christian Ristau. I even like how this patio canopy is flowers with a butterfly on top. And the front of the building has a whole bunch of crazy looking animals. Looks like a rabbit, a frog. It's an elephant, I believe. That one looks like a kind of a llama. And like it's another llama, looks like. It's a bird, probably a canary, and looks like a turkey that's like a snake in flames. Yeah, everywhere you look you can see little remnants that this used to be a bowling alley. The planters look like bowling balls. I like these chairs. So cool. This one has bubbles and ocean waves on it. Stay back or risk spontaneous atomization. And if you need any more hints that this used to be a bowling alley, well, there you go. So this is the main entrance to the House of Eternal Return. Let's go. Ah. Oh, it's a house. It's a mailbox. Pastor. Oh, wow. That is too cool. Welcome to the house of eternal return.
Dad, I know how to get out.
Okay. They still have it decorated for Halloween. Yeah, so this looks like it's a woodshed or something. Yeah, all kinds of little knick-knack and bric-a-brac. Handmade cattle tail. Let's go in and check it out, shall we? Huh? Hey, my sister's already in. Beyond here, there be dragons. Oh, looks like a normal, ordinary house. Oh, that's cool. What is this? What is that? It's like a melting man. Mom, I know Rex got hurt. He made me promise. I'll video it so everybody can stop the video and read it. Should tell you a little bit more about the family, what happened to them. This must be the lady of the house, and she painted this painting. Wow. So I guess that's the Selig family right there. Relatives. Since it's around Halloween time, they got a skeleton hanging from the chandelier. And ghosts. So this is like one of the kids' bedroom. Like science notebook. Owner Lex Pastore, age 10. Keep out Morgan. That's the family right there. So that's the coolest thing, is that you see these little things, and then later on you'll see the same exact thing but in larger form. Uh-oh, what happened to the hamster? Oh, he's missing. So here's the bathroom. Never seen a toilet like that before. It's like a ripple effect. And I'm guessing this must be the parents' room. And another ghost. If you have the time, you can look through the old photo albums. Look at the family photos, happier times. Looks like they have a pretty good life until something happened. Okay, let's go into the front room. Oh, the fishies. Oh, the fishies are dead.
Fishy, all right.
Oh yeah, a jellyfish. Some kind of. There's a hand. Oh, Oh, hey, thing. This should give you a little bit of foreshadowing for later on. Oh, they just got married.
What would we want to tell our future selves? Like, what would we want to look back on this video and at our 5-year wedding anniversary, what do we want to say to ourselves?
Oh my gosh. Well, congratulations, you guys. And if you ever have a difficult time, which obviously life presents, remember how much you love each other.
So much driving.
Never seen anything like it.
You can even go through the fireplace, but I'm not gonna squeeze my fat butt through there. So I'm guessing some kind of anomaly happened. So they had experts working on it. Yeah, that's what they filmed. Yeah. Who's that guy? Some kind of something happened. So it looks like, according to here, they achieved a portal in the living room. And someone left without eating their cereal. Me and scientists have been working. If you want to pause the video and read what it says. Looks like the fruit has gone hostile. Again, if you want to pause the video and read all this, feel free to. She can go through the laundry machine. There's lost socks in there. There you go. Yeah. Wasn't that like a broken cup?
Kind of like, yeah.
Yeah. We're in the kitchen, and there's something lurking behind the refrigerator. Let's try it. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, it's a portal. One-way portal, do not enter. Ooh, where is that lead? Let's go over here first. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. It's like splintering off into some dimension. Could this be one of those portals that were in Omega Mart? Maybe.
Whoa. Check this room out. Pretty cool.
Check this out. It's like a forest. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. It's like a little tree house here. Isn't this awesome? I wonder if that's one of the family kids. Looks like it might be. Look at the furniture. Oh yeah, that was the creator of Meow Wolf. The co-founder, artist and dearest friend, Matt King. Oh. Well, rest in peace, Matt. He created an awesome place. Look at the plumbing. I wonder what this does. Do they all go different pipes? Yeah? You got a bus just jutting right out of the floor. Oh wow. This place is enormous. Look at these giant hands coming out of the floor and grabbing the window. Hello there. Raven or crow? I'm not sure. Leave a comment in the comment section if you think that's a raven or a crow. Oh, that's so cool. This is my favorite room. Cartoons! Look at the spider, that's so cool. The pumpkin. That is too cool. And look at the dishes. Like they've been washed with ink. Snag juice. Melt face. And you got the outside window. Yeah, it's somebody's birthday. Is that like a cousin of Jessica Rabbit? The power of positive mechanics. Malinda was telling me that there's things in the cabinets too. So let's check these out. What's in here? Cracked pots. Let's see. And there's something underneath the sink, she said. Whoa! Is that the garbage disposal? I like this effect. It makes it look like this stalactite and stalagmite are underwater. Oh, that is so cool. Look at this. Wow. Let's head downstairs. Wow. Hi. Oh, that is beautiful. Look at that. That is cool. It's like the sun is crying and hands are, or its hands are taking its tears. Everywhere you look, there's faces looking at you. Oh, wow. The amount of creativity in this room just astounds me. It reminds me of the Indiana Jones ride. Do not look into the eyes of Mara. Too late. A bunch of TVs. If I remember right, they have a freezer like that at Meow Wolf Omega Mart. One thing I didn't know about this freezer is that you can climb through it. Oh wow. How cool. Over here we have a bunch of heads mounted on the wall. And the piano. And that is so cool. And they got something here too. Everywhere you turn, there's something unusual to see. I love it. Oh, how cool. It's like a whole city. Neon signs. Is it Panthering? I guess that must be one of the worlds of Meow Wolf. Sorry, we're high. Wow. That is too cool. Chappy Timmy's. These cereal boxes. Oh, look at these little guys. They're so cute. Seriously, I want to take one of these home. I just realized they make noises when you touch them. They're all too cute. Aww, let's pet you. Aww, yeah. Go ahead, pet one. Yeah. Whoa, look at this giant scary head. That is too cool. I like this part too. Looks like a city. Like a hidden little city in Taiwan. So this is down below where we were up above a few minutes ago. There's an owl. Some shag carpeting right there. These kind of remind me of Minecraft. Is the fate of our character. What is that? Is that a beetle with wings? It's like a butter beetle. Or a butter beetle, or a beetle butter. Beetle butter, beetle butter.
Check out this room. The walls, the floors, everything.
Oh, so this is underneath the bus right here. Okay. So you can climb into the driver's seat. Oop, the wheel. Steering. Takes you on a journey. That is too cool. I like this one. It's really cool. I guess you can make these things spin by pushing the button or something. Oh yeah. Oh, you can move them around. You twist the dial and you can move everything around. I'm guessing this is some sort of temple arrangement. Too cool. Dance. It's like a dance club. It's like a pink cloud fuzzy feeling, you know? How cute. You just want to eat them. Take a bite out of their little heads right there. Especially that big rainbow guy right there. The little tiny eyes. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. I know I keep saying it's so cool, but this really is cool. I know that video, you can't capture everything with video, but you know, that's good. That's a good thing because people can come here and see this for themselves and see all the rooms and the wonders and how cool it really is, yeah? I wonder what that says. I'm guessing that this is some sort of space capsule because if you look inside, it's got a console and everything. Oh, that reminds me kind of a Lucifer at the Denver airport, except this one doesn't have red eyes. So if you remember the aquarium from upstairs in the house, there you go. Humongous. So you got the little plastic scuba diver. Is that supposed to be some sort of octopus? I take it all back. This is my favorite room. The fish. So calming. I even like how they made the lights look like little gem crystals sticking out of the wall.
Oh, it's a woolly mammoth.
And that's what I mean by bigger form. So here's the underside of the woolly mammoth. And you can even play on the rib cage. Gentle, I may be musical, but I'm a 10,000-year-old and archaeological specimen. And even this thing makes music. Okay. Are these supposed to be like parasitic worms or something? That's pretty cool. It's like a rug built into the ground. There's rugs all over. And a sofa. Look at this guy, he looks like a big Chinese dragon. So Wiggy's Plasmaplex. It's like a mini arcade inside.
It's pretty rare if they're like, you need to sit here.
You would think the event horizon of down.
Guessing these are supposed to be bats. Hello. Hi. We're walking. Hi. What's that? Oh, wow. Oh. How cool. Sounds like elevator music. Portals, Bermuda. Oh, okay. That's the girl in the machine. That's the lady that was in the Zoltar machine in the arcade. Okay, let's go here. What is this? Oh, these are the different portals. See, this one says Saint Malabados. Yeah, Saint Malabados. This is the portals. The arm? Oh, yeah. You can feel the little balls. Oh, that's cool. Saint Malabados.
This is not the way to the trailer.
So these are the different portals. This one's Toto 7, I believe. Yeah.
This way, yeah. Here
And
it
then
is.
this one.
Here it is. Right here.
So this one's called Marat Enu. And it resembles a trailer. Let's go inside. Yeah. It's got somebody talking on the radio. Oh. So cool. Oh, and this one with the couch is Viridian Heights. Yeah, that's so cool. Giant mosquito. Oh no, it's a giant dragonfly. 10 million years BC. So how can we get back to the house, Melinda?
This way. Wait, no.
Let's go. I like the rainbow, that's so cool. Okay, so through St. Malibu. Oh, okay. Oh, what the heck? Is this a closet? Oh yeah, it's a little closet. And we go back into the house. That's gonna do it from Meow Wolf, the House of Eternal Return here in Santa Fe, New Mexico. As always, if you enjoy this video, like, share, and subscribe. It lets us know you care. But until next time, Malinda and I have to be traveling on. That's gonna do it from Meow Wolf, the House of Eternal Return here in Santa Fe, New Mexico. As always, if you enjoy this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. It lets us know you care. But until next time, Malinda and I have to be traveling on.